Hey guys, this is Saad, CEO and founder at F16 Media, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we have helped company generate more than 7,000 leads with an average cost per lead of $15 to $18 per lead, and they are closing 30% of those leads into confirmed appointments. Now, don't forget that company have spent more than $185,000 with us on Facebook ads. And yes, that is a air duct and dryer cleaning company working with us from day one. We have been helping them generate leads with proper branding. On top of that, having a crazy social media, so they keep getting new leads every single day and their phone keeps ringing. Now, without any further delay, let's move ahead and get started with the results. Now, as you can see that we are, first of all, let's see $184,000 so far. On this campaign, we have 4,384 leads for 21.7 bucks each. Then we have 648 leads for 25 bucks each. Then we have 1,524 leads for 9.55 each. And then we have 169 leads for 18.26 each. Now, just to let you know, let's do a quick mathematics for you. We have spent $184,000 on their Facebook ads. $184,000 divided by the average cost per lead is like $18. So let's say divide by 18. We have generated more than, as you can see, 10,222 leads, and as you can see that. So now, that being said, you can do the mathematics that 30% is the conversion ratio, and they are loving the results. Now, let me explain you how does it work. So we are basically working with air duct cleaning business for a long time, and the reason they suffer is that they don't focus on branding. Most of the air duct companies just focus on the stuff which doesn't help them. For example, going to the call centers and buying the jobs, going to the people who are just posting on the homeowners groups, pretending to be the local person, but they're not local. So this way, you just make quick money, but you don't have a solid solution, right? Because people love to see the results. People love to see what you have done for other homeowners. People love to see what you have done for other people like them. Okay, let's suppose you have to buy something for your home. Let's say you have to buy sofas, okay? And you need to have something in your budget. Let's say you have a budget of $1,000, okay? Now let me ask you this. From where you're going to buy those sofas? From a regular store, regular website, or a place where you know that the reviews are good, the social proof is good, and they are being experienced in their business, right? Of course, you're gonna go to someone who have good reviews, who have good customer portfolio, and they are experienced, right? The same way goes with the people looking for your services. This business is a multi-million-dollar business. People are making hundreds and millions of dollars a year. Now, it totally depends on how you do it, okay? Hire someone professional or don't hire someone professional, but run the goddamn ads. Run the ads. Focus on your branding. And if you want to fill up your trucks, it has to be from Facebook. Like, for example, in this company, we have spent $184,000, okay? Now we are spending more than $800 every single day, and they're loving it. Yes, okay? What is our results from this? 10,300 leads generated from $184,000 US in ads. That means the average cost per lead is $17 to $18 per lead. We have done it. We've done it. And I'm saying the $18 average cost per lead, I know I'm saying it high. The average is below 16. You see some campaigns with a higher cost per lead, I know. But the average cost per lead is low. And the conversion rate is 30%. So let me tell you this. If you want the right results, run ads, have the best creatives, have the best appointment setting team, have the testimonials, be personalized in the ads, focus on the social media. And if you don't have time, we have an offer. We can help you generate as many air duct leads you want for $15 to $18 or $15 to $20 per lead, and close 30% of those leads into confirmed appointments. Want to learn more about it? Go in the description, click on the website that we have mentioned there, www.f16media.agency/air-duct-cleaning. Schedule a call with me. Let me show you how I can help you, and then decide if you want to go with it or not. Have a good one and all the best.